Hi everyone, welcome to MindBlend. Have you ever wondered why some people just rub you the wrong way? Respect is a cornerstone of human interaction, a currency in our social transactions that's often taken for granted. We're taught to offer it freely, but should everyone automatically receive it? It's a thought-provoking question, isn't it? Today we're peeling back the layers on this sensitive topic. We'll explore the traits and behaviors that could disqualify someone from being worthy of your respect. From the self-centered to the ungrateful, our list includes 12 types of people who might just change the way you see respect and interpersonal relationships. So, why does this matter? Understanding these dynamics can help you foster healthier relationships and establish boundaries that protect your emotional well-being. Stay tuned as we dive into the characteristics of these individuals, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and give us a like. First on our list, the self-centered. Picture this: someone who sees the world as a stage where they are perpetually the star. These individuals often prioritize their desires and emotions above everyone else's. Whether it's dominating conversations or blatantly ignoring the feelings of others, their self-absorption knows no bounds. It's a constant struggle for airtime with them, as they turn every discussion back to their favorite subject, themselves. So if you find someone always steering the conversation back to themselves, think twice about your respect. Next, we have the betrayer. Betrayal is a deep cut, severing the bonds of trust that are the very foundation of any respectful relationship. Imagine confiding your deepest fears to a friend only to have those secrets whispered through the grapevine. Or picture a colleague who promises support but stabs you in the back when opportunity knocks. These acts of betrayal not only break hearts but shatter trust. And once trust is broken, it's a steep climb to restoration. Betrayal erodes trust, and without trust, respect is off the table. Scene script number 3, the liar. In the fabric of social interactions, honesty acts as the thread that holds relationships together. Yet chronic liars choose to snip this thread repeatedly, weaving tales that serve their own agendas. These individuals manipulate the truth with such ease that distinguishing reality from fabrication becomes a Herculean task. This consistent dishonesty erodes trust, the very foundation upon which all enduring relationships are built. Remember, a relationship built on lies is like a house built on sand. Moving on to the manipulator. Manipulation, a subtle yet destructive force, can twist the dynamics of any relationship. At its core, manipulation is about controlling or influencing someone in a deceptive way. Consider behaviors like guilt tripping, where a person makes another feel overly responsible for their emotional state. Or gaslighting, which involves undermining another's reality by denying facts, the environment, or their feelings. These tactics can deeply erode trust and respect. Manipulation is a respect killer. Watch out for these signs. Let's talk about the arrogant. Imagine someone who walks into the room and acts as if they own it, not with confidence, but with a smug sense of superiority. This is the person who often talks over others, dismisses different opinions, and seems to have an invisible crown on their head. They underestimate those around them, assuming they are the smartest in any room. This behavior doesn't just create discomfort, it pushes people away. Arrogance makes it hard to respect someone who sees themselves as above everyone else. Number 6, the unreliable. In the tapestry of human relationships, reliability is a key thread. It's about making promises and keeping them, showing up when it counts, and being someone others can lean on. Yet the unreliable are like quicksand in this fabric, their promises as fleeting as shadows. They set expectations only to let them crumble. And over time, this pattern erodes trust and respect. It's a simple truth. If you can't count on someone, how can you respect them? Next up, the judgmental. Picture this: someone who sees the world through a lens smeared with criticism. It's one thing to offer a friend some helpful advice, but quite another to constantly judge their every move. While constructive criticism is about growth and improvement, harmful judgment only serves to belittle and discourage. It's the tone, the intent behind the words, that divides helpful feedback from hurtful judgment. Constant judgment can shut down the pathways to respect. Meet the dishonest. In a world where honesty is prized, distinguishing between harmless fibs and harmful falsehoods becomes crucial. Consider the impact of significant dishonesty in your life. It's not just about telling a white lie to spare someone's feelings. It's about those moments where transparency is abandoned and trust is shattered. When someone consistently chooses deception over honesty, it affects more than just individual relationships. It undermines the very fabric of trust. Dishonesty clouds judgment and corrodes respect. Number 9, the intolerant. Intolerance is a refusal to accept or respect ideas, beliefs, or behaviors that differ from one's own. This narrow-mindedness can fracture communities, stifle progress, and breed conflict. At the heart of intolerance lies fear and ignorance, often leading individuals to shut themselves off from learning about or understanding diverse perspectives. Embracing a culture of tolerance isn't just about being agreeable. It's about fostering an environment where all ideas can be discussed openly and respectfully. Intolerance closes doors and hearts alike. Coming to the bully. Bullying is a behavior that seeks to intimidate or harm another person, often through repeated aggressive actions. Whether it's verbal taunts, physical aggression, or social exclusion, the impact on victims can be deeply scarring, affecting their confidence and mental health. It's vital to stand up to bullies and support those on the receiving end of such behavior. By doing so, we challenge the culture that allows bullying to thrive. Bullies thrive on disrespect, which is why they don't deserve yours. Finally, the ungrateful. Gratitude isn't just good manners, it's a cornerstone of healthy relationships. It acknowledges the effort and kindness of others, reinforcing bonds and fostering mutual respect. However, there are those who consistently fail to show appreciation, no matter how much they receive. These ungrateful individuals often take generosity for granted, overlooking the goodwill extended to them. This lack of acknowledgement can sour relationships and diminish the joy of giving. An ungrateful attitude can make it hard to respect someone. We've covered a lot today about the types of people who might not deserve your respect. Let's take a moment to quickly recap. We discussed the self-centered, who always put their needs above others, the betrayer, who cannot be trusted, and the liar, who constantly distorts the truth. We also talked about the manipulator, who cunningly pulls strings, the arrogant, who look down on everyone else, and the unreliable, who can never be counted on. We highlighted the judgmental, who are quick to criticize, the dishonest, who can't be straightforward, and the intolerant, who refuse to accept differences. Additionally, we looked at the bully, who intimidates others, the ungrateful, who never appreciate what they receive, and lastly, the disrespectful, who undermine the worth of those around them. It's crucial to surround yourself with individuals who foster mutual respect, positivity, and growth. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, please like, share with your friends, and subscribe to MindBlend for more content like this. See you in the next video.